Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change Robinhood to candlesticks. First, open the Robinhood app and go to any stock, ETF, crypto, or options page. For example, I'll open the Vanguard ASP 500. Now, take a look at the chart. Right above it, you'll see the bar with all the different time frames like 3 months, 1 year, and 5 years. Next to the 5 years option, you'll see the candlestick icon. Tap on it and the chart will switch from a line chart to candlesticks. If you're using the Robinhood website instead of the app, it works a little differently. Just go to the stock or asset page, click the chart settings icon in the top right corner, and then select candlestick chart. And that's it. That's how you switch Robinhood to candlesticks. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.